Hey guys, wouldn't you want to do this? So today, I'm going to show you how. We're going to replace the cup holders. The first tool you need, panel popper. We're going to start on the left-hand side. We're just going to edge it out a little bit. There are some bolts in here that we're going to pull out. Now just be sure not to pull too hard and crack it, because this is a very thin piece of plastic. So we're going to just wedge it in there. So you're wedging it out, and then you just pull straight out. It is there in there snug, and now it's out. All that's holding it, the 2 screws and 1 clip on each side. So now that's out, what we'll do is, to remove this cup holder, we'll take out these 2 screws. Two screws are out. Just gonna pull this out. The entire piece comes out. That's out. We're gonna put the new one in. This is not a BMW part. I'm sure you can find one. I went on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link to this one in the description. Not so expensive. I'm sure it's gonna work just fine. So what we do is we just push it back in. And let's see, it does work. That's awesome. Now we're just gonna put the 2 screws in. And we do the same thing for the other side. We have both cup holders in. We tested them. They both work. Awesome. We'll just put the trim back on. Push straight in. That's it, guys. Super easy, quick. I mean, it took, I don't know, 3 minutes. All we need is the panel popper, and if you don't have one, a flathead screwdriver, maybe put a little bit of tape on the top of it so you don't scratch your panels, and then a screwdriver just to take the bolts out. And we are done. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist, and I'll see you on the next video.